And now finally we're going to move to the last but yet the amazing part in our journey in Snapchat, which is creating the ads. So let's go and click create ads. When you create an ad in Snapchat, you'll have two options. The first option, which is the easy way. It's very easy, and most important of all, it takes you only less than 5 minutes to create the whole campaign with their ad sets and their ads. And the second way, which is the advanced or the hard way. But in the hard way, you're taking full control over your ads. Of course, we're going to see both of them, but now let's start with the instant create and with the easy way. So first of all, we need to choose our advertising goal. It could be app visits or install an app or call and text us, or we want our customers to visit our website. And now let's choose which URL should your ad link to, the URL that you want to send people into. So let's just enter whatever URL or whatever website you can have. ShidraShopee.com and click next. Let's design. So you can either upload a video or select one from the library. So let's just click next for now. Design your ad. The name is Studio Shopee. The headline, earrings for cute girls. So the call to action, I prefer shop now or get now. Upload your assets. So you can upload a video or photo or select from the library. We already have one from the library, so click select from the library and select the picture. So let's click this one. Get yours now for $11 plus free shipping. Visit our website for more earrings, colors, and designs. So this picture, I think it's amazing. And choose a template. I think the first template is the most amazing one. And then when you're done, click next. So now we're going to choose the demographic. So I'm choosing only females because only females are going to be interested in this product, and the age it's only for young girls, so I'm choosing 13 to 29. Select the language English and the location. I'm choosing California plus Florida. And New York, as well as Ohio. And where's Texas? Texas. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 states are enough. Show, and let's click show advanced targeting. Interest customer audiences. So my ads are going to be shown to people who love beauty events and advanced stickers, art, art, fitness, games, high school, men's lifestyle, music, business, shoppers, luxury shoppers, online shoppers, shopping mall shoppers, women's fashion shoppers as well, and Travel, that's enough. Devices, so my ad are going to be shown to people who are using Android as well as iOS. And now we're going to choose the budget. So when choosing the budget for Snapchat, you cannot choose the daily budget that is below $5. For example, I'm choosing $4. It says ad set daily budget must be at least $5. So it should be $5 or more. In Facebook, you can even set your daily budget to $1. But on Snapchat, it should be more than $5. I think that won't be a problem, so let's set it at $22 a day. And start is going to be started immediately and run indefinitely. That means forever until you stop the ad. So the goal is swipe up, and the bets I prefer auto bet. So the estimated daily average swipe up, it's between 48 to 89. It could be even a little more or a little less. The business address, enter your address, the city, the zip code, and the state. And finally, the payment details. If you use PayPal, check PayPal and connect your PayPal. And if you use credit card, enter the digit of your credit card and the expire date and the CVV and the zip code. And in the end, when you're done, click publish, and it's going to be published after the Snapchat review team is going to review your campaign. So now let's move to the advanced way.